there, future SQL expert and aspiring techies. Welcome to our channel, Learn with Anonymous, with thrilling episode of Leetcode Crack SQL Interview in 50 questions. If you are gearing up to dive up into the world of SQL interviews or looking to sharpen your SQL skills, yeah, you have come to the right place. But hey, before we dive up into the SQL questions, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss out our latest content packed with the tech tips, interview strategies, and the career hacks. Okay, guys, now this is the fourth question of this SQL 50 sheet, and the fourth question is that article views 1. In this article views 1 question, we have a table called views. And here there is a column name article ID, author ID, viewer ID and viewer date. And article ID, author ID, viewer ID is of type int and view date is of type date. And here there is no primary key. Column with unique values for this table. The table may have duplicate rows. So this table consists of duplicate rows, duplicate values, and each row of this table indicates that some viewer viewed an article written by some author on some date. Not that equal author ID and viewer ID indicate the same person. Okay, now let's get into the question. Write a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least once of their own articles. Return the result table in a sorted by ID in ascending order. Okay, we have to sort this table by using ID in ascending order. Now, this is an example input and output that there is article ID 1 and author ID 3, viewer ID 5. Its view date is this, and here we have to write a query for this. Now let's write a query, and later on we can talk about the functionality of this query. Right? Select distinct. What we want to get as an output here, or ID, right? So which ID? It's an author ID. Author ID as what we have to get here as an output as ID. Next, from which table we want to get it from? Views table, right? Views. We have condition or here where author ID equals to viewer ID. Next, order by ID. In which order? Ascending order. Okay. See, we have written code over here. Select author ID as ID. Why we use a distinct in this place here means that already in the question they have said that the table may have duplicate rows. In order to eliminate the duplicate rows and get only the unique values as an output, we have written over here distinct so that it will not allow the duplicate values as an output. Only it checks, only it gets output as a single time even though it's repeated. So I have written here select distinct author ID as ID. So duplicate IDs cannot be written as an output. From which we have selected this IDs from the views table. Okay, now we have written the condition where author ID equals to viewer ID. Once check in this example where author ID equals to viewer ID. Here in this case 7, 7, right? Next, another case here 4, 4, right? So here where there is a condition, where there is a matching that author ID equals to viewer ID, we have written that ID as an output or here. See, if you check here 7, author ID is 7, viewer ID is 7. So we have written the author ID as an output. Next, if we come down 4, 4 again, here also author ID is equals to viewer ID. So we have written 4 as an output or here. But why 4 comma 7 came, but according to this table we have got 7 comma 4, right? But we have we have used ordered by id, so in the ascending order, so that the according to the ascending order, small number comes first and the largest number comes second, right? So in this way, here this was ordered, and here again 4 comma 4 is repeated, but written in this because we have used this distinct or here. So distinct only allows the unique values, it will not allow the duplicate values to come as an output in this way. This is all about the article views 1 question. So we have to find the authors that is viewed at least once of their own articles. So that's why we have checked the condition here that author ID equals to viewer ID. This is all about the fourth question. Let's run this code and check it whether there is a mistake or not. So this was the code is accepted, and let's submit this code. Yeah, the code is accepted. Thank you guys.
Learn with Anonymous. Subscribe now to get more videos.